Okay, guys, I'm here. This is the New York Open, and I'm gonna hopefully do a quick scalp. I'm just gonna try and go with the trend on the New York Open. So this is the first 5 minute candle. Thinking I'm gonna probably trade up, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna pause right here and come back once I have a real idea of, or hopefully something going on. Okay, guys. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com. I'm in this trade. You can see that little line where I got in at. A good place or a target for me might be right here. This is plus one dev. We got a 64% probability of getting there. Since I'm trading the open, I'm expecting this to be very uh, volatile. We're trading kind of high, guys. So, if any sign of this not working and rejecting because the volatility is going to be so high, you have to really be quick to drop that puppy. But let's just see. I'm going to pause here and I'll come back. Hopefully, if it looks like we're getting somewhere. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's really I'm starting to see some consolidation here, so I'm probably just gonna take what I get. I just don't see a break, and I know that statistically we're very high, so I'm probably just gonna take what I get right here. Just don't see there's a lot of indecision in the market. So if I get back into profit again, I'm gonna leave in this consolidating area. I'm really just trying to get out on this candle. You see that two first two 5 minute bars, we just don't have any action. There's just no decision. This isn't what I was looking for. So if it's not what you're looking for, you take what you can get and you get out. Let's see, we got anything cooking here? No. See how we just stalling here? I'm talking this out. I probably should have already left. Normally, that's what I would have done. Trying to time my exit. This is what I mean when I say, like on some videos I've said, hey, it's sometimes hard to get out. You see how it's when you're trading something so volatile, and that's because of the time. It is harder to find your exit. I like watching my candles and focusing on my counter. Missed it. There we go. That's a soft exit. Let's talk about what happened here and why I'm leaving. Okay. Let me get my little arrow. Okay. Firstly, the setup. There's red on the bottom. There's blue on top. You see, I always do my MAs like this. These are some big MAs, but that's what's important is the idea of blues on top. That's why I went long. You see my little volatility indicator here, which is telling me, okay, for the most part, volatility is swinging to the top. I put this on so that I can see the breaks in these channels. You see how we broke here? That's the first 5-minute candle of the day. We broke, we started breaking up. I have some RSI bars on here. This is really simple, and it's just letting me know when there's a strong indication of the RSI. When I see that, that's letting me know right there, hey, look, strong indication over here on the RSI. It's got to keep going. These bars have to keep being produced. If they don't, I don't know that it's going to turn. I don't know that it's going to reverse. I'm not trying to trade a reversal. I'm trying to stay with the trend, and when what I'm witnessing no longer agrees with whatever theory I have, I leave. Okay? Now there's a red bar. There's a bar. We no longer have the RSI. My crosswalk down here, this is when I started, and you know when I get to these levels here, there's so many videos where I'm counter trend trading where I get to these levels and I pop on a trade in the opposite direction. Okay, so these were things that were indicating to me that I'm not going to get what I was looking for, because what I was looking for was just a nice quick push on the open with a solid decision. But if it doesn't happen, then you just leave. I don't want to trade like the consolidated trading that I showed you guys around Christmas, because look at how long I was in some of those trades. And I really don't like trading in an environment like that. So that's all I had, guys. I wish this could have been a better open. I had traded the open a couple of days ago, and I didn't tape it. And then it just occurred to me, hey, why don't you just wake up and trade the open, and then you can get a lot of volatility, and you'll get something for a video, a little live trade. And of course, when I decide to do that, we've already gotten to a half deviation, and we're failing to keep going up to our one deviation, even with the 64% probability. We may get there, but I'm just trading the open, and I see this consolidating pattern right here. All this, I think I got the right, nope, I don't got the right tool. I'm getting used to this little thingamajig over here. Okay, I think I got the right tool now. See, all this consolidating, that looks like when I was trading the off hours. So there's indecision there. I don't want to trade that. You don't want to trade that. Sooner or later, something's going to happen. We're going to have to break that little area, and it's cool. But when you're not getting what you were expecting to get, then you leave. There's okay. I'll show you guys something. This is after I got out, and I want to address this. We almost exactly made it to +1 dev. Okay, now that was I might would have had to wait another 10 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, maybe let's say a little under 10 minutes. You see we're deep into this statistical zone here. This is how far we usually run in this little opening area, and we almost got there. And it's always gonna be a market. As long as there's a market, there's going to be something to trade. All I had, just wanted to show a little aftermarket on this trade. See you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers. I was trading the January 4th, New Year 2022 Open on the US30.